Hey guys, don't worry, I'm here to help you to fix this problem with the step-by-step perfect solution. So let's begin. Click on Advanced Options, select Troubleshoot, then click on Advanced Options. Now select Command Prompt. Now type chkdsk space /f space /r space c : and hit enter. Then we need to wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, move to the next step. Type c : then hit enter. Now type cd space c : / and hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type cd space windows and simply hit enter. Now type cd system32 and hit enter. Now type cd space config and simply press enter to execute this command. Now execute this command carefully. Type in md space backup and simply hit enter to execute it. Now type copy space ** space backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute the command md space backup1 and simply hit enter. Now type copy space ** space backup1 and hit enter. Now type cd space regback and simply hit enter. Then type dir and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type in copy space ** space ... and then hit enter. After that type all and again hit enter to execute the command. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and hit enter to execute the command. Now type bootrec space /fixboot and hit enter to execute. Now type cd space c : / and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space windows /system32 /config /regback, then simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type this command bcdedit space /export space c : /bcd backup and hit enter. Now type cd space c : / and hit enter. Now type md space boot and hit enter. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and hit enter. Now type cd space c : / and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type attrib space c : /boot /bcd space -h space -r space -s and simply hit enter. Now type run space c : /boot /bcd space bcd.old, then hit enter. Type bootrec space /rebuildbcd and hit enter. Type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.